We've got a really cool program going on, teaching students how to use AI tools. We've got all different aspects of the Fetch team here to not only help the students figure out how to use these tools better, but also to demonstrate what are the people behind the scenes that are really doing all this cool stuff.
So we are in Boston at Suffolk University, and we are running an ML training session with some of the students here.
This is part of an ongoing program that Suffolk has that target inner city kids who don't necessarily have access to all the resources that others may. We give them a full semester's worth of entrepreneurship in 3 weeks. And this year, they added the AI modules that we worked with Fetch on.
My perception of AI before was that it was kind of like a daunting, stigmatized tool that was kind of scary.
Originally, if I were to be so honest with you, I only knew about ChatGPT. I only knew that if I were to ask a question, I would just get an automated response.
We took the Suffolk academic knowledge that we have on AI and combined it with the expertise that Fetch has in machine learning, user experience, in order to show the students how to put this to work for developing their new business ideas.
So Fetch, obviously, our best known IP is receipt understanding. So we explained optical character recognition as well as entity linking.
If you train the AI a certain way, it will recognize it depending on what you put up. And there was different variables and different ways to do that.
I talked to the students about different tools they can use to generate text to images to music and how they can incorporate those tools into their business ideas.
They really helped us plan out our idea and the specific ways we could market this to consumers.
And I used to think big time business people were like robots, they felt unreal, but these people were so down to earth and nice with us. It felt like they were just working along with us in the class. Learning AI is going to be crucial for the future, especially when it comes to incorporating ideas for business.
I'm realizing the specific abilities it has and how we can use it as a tool to boost efficiency and allow us to be even more innovative.
As a business school, we need to teach kids that it's not just about playing around. This is about applying AI tools to help them do a better job, whatever their role is, because that's going to differentiate employees in the future.